managed to score such nice percentage because due to the support which UT gave, the test series, the teaching method of UT, the test series guided me and helped me to secure the confidence to write board exams.
Wow, it feels great standing over here. We know that practice makes man perfect, and that's what UT provided me.
Competitive feel around, so I really enjoyed it, and the test series was very nice. You got to work every week, so it was like everything was settled in your mind, and obviously if you work hard every month, and obviously the results will be good. Success in 10th standard with A1 grade was my dream and my aim, which I was able to fulfill due to UT, my parents and Anubhav sir.
K.N. Mishra, father of Atmesh Mishra. I felt that Universal Tutorial has done a great job in the field of education in past few years. Actually, I had been tracking the performance of Universal Tutorial, which I found very good, and that's why I admitted my son in this institute. I found that their methodology for teaching the students, their approach for the timely coverage of the course and frequent class test, counselings, this did a great job for getting the students